everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to learn this simple little Chinese fan. When it gets really hot, you can spray yourself like this. To start, you need a piece of paper. I'm going to take a green paper today. And you need a glue stick. Alright, let's start. So we're going to take our paper and we're going to fold it in a little strip. Like this. And now we're going to flip our paper around and we're going to fold another strip like this. We're going to flip our paper around and we're going to fold another strip. Alright, so now that we made it, when you open it up, it's supposed to look like this. But we're not done yet. The end, we're going to take some glue. And you see one of our strips that looks like this. We're going to glue it on that strip. Just one. Take lots of glue. And apply some glue. Alright, now we're going to take this and fold it in half. Now we're going to press it down. Make sure it glues. And ta-da! Another fan. If you liked my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.